Hey, Run Rose here. This spot is changed again. Doesn't seem to be changing names now, but we know what this logo is, but it's changed again. So after I reported it the other day, it's come up as this one, which is the same one, this one. So when you go to the About, United States Discord, this was blocked days ago, weeks ago. So this is this other one. Same symbol, different name. And it was blocked too. I blocked these months ago when it was calls 40 iPhone, Hawaii cooking, etc. So let's go to this one. Oh, it's owned by So what you need to do is go block user, but every time I'm doing it, see, watch this. Blocking will prevent them from commenting on videos you've uploaded. I do that, right? Let's refresh the page. Watch what happens. Oh, it has blocked it this time. Cool. Didn't do it before. Alright, so what you need to do is when you see this one up here that we went to before, see these ones on the side? They're the other channels it's linked to. You have to open them and block them. Otherwise, you will see this everywhere. And as I said, it's the same symbol from this one. So I wonder what it's calling itself now because I've already reported it just before. They must be getting sick of me. One of the emails I found it was linked to is Stanford Education. I have the email here. But then after that one, it's blocked me from accessing emails. It says I've opened access too many emails for the day, so I'll happily share them. Okay, so yeah, it is changing its name again because it was this one before, and now it's been calling itself this one. Give it a try. You'll see what I mean. Let's open this guy a new page and see what his name is. And I'll let it go so you can see that I'm not making it up. It's really frustrating. This has been reported so many times. And you can tell they're bots by the upload amounts. Let's block the user. Okay, so I've opened most of these already, I think. Okay, let's check out. So that was Andy. But see, it's the same logo. Lieutenant Kiwis. See? Same logo, same symbol. Well, it's the same symbol as this one, same logo. So they're all the same channel, same owner. So it's run by a bot. And it seems to be this one is the main one. So when you see this bit with the featured channels, I know it's annoying, but just click on it, open a new link in the tab, go through and block them all, okay? This is the email here. So it's Stanford Education Department. Why would they have bots running these games like this? What's going on? Another one is this one. And it goes back to this main channel is here, which is this one. I'll click it so you can see. Let's open a new tab so you'll see what I mean. They are all connected. And how can they be like approved when they do this? Or do they just pay for it? See, featured channels. So this is its main channel, and then it runs all these silly other channels here. So let's try this. View email addresses. I'm not a robot. Watch. Is it going to do it? See, email address is hidden. You've reached today's access limit. What the heck does that mean? Do you know what I mean? Like, why? So they make evolution simulators. So obviously they're making algorithms just to flood everyone's channels. And when you report them, it comes up with a date of January 1970. This is another one. Link to it. Here's the email here. So once again, just block the user. Otherwise, they will spam your channel. So this is another one. Watch this block. Then I'll come back. If I don't refresh the page, it'll do that. But let's refresh the page and see what it does. Because normally you don't have to refresh the page to have that blocked user there. Okay, so it is blocked. Okay, cool. So it won't give me the email. Same thing. Goes back to the same one. Okay, so it's blocked. And see here, this is that main one back here. And these are all the channels it's got. Won't let me view, but the email address is down here further. So this guy. I've already gone through and blocked these already. So I'm doing it whilst I'm recording it, and if it continues, I'm going to tag YouTube team on Twitter about this. Okay, so it's blocked. I know it's really frustrating having to do this, but if you don't, your channel is just going to get spammed with all this crap. I mean, a few minutes ago I'd come through before I made this video and blocked all these. So YouTube, when I come back and check this tomorrow, if it's unblocked, I'll be putting a complaint into the American page that they've got a complaint. I know it's mainly for Americans, but maybe it'll get some attention. Here we go with another one. here is the email. And it's the same one that brought me back to that other one before. So how come they get a tick when it's got 230k subscribers? Why? How did they get verified like that? So they have been blocked. They were one of the original ones that were blocked. See, hidden reach the official. As I said, I blocked all these before I made this video. See, goes back to this channel here. Back to this channel here. I'm just going to pause it because it's going to take a bit of time once I refresh. So now it's showing up blocked. Okay. Next one. It goes back to these guys. This was one of the original ones. I think it was Calls or 40, I think it was called originally. I'm not sure. They just keep changing their names. That's blocked. Saying it's blocked now. It's probably the same as the last channel I just looked at. Sorry if this is boring to you, but the other video I made, I'm trying to show you guys. Some people are saying the videos aren't getting views and everything else. Well, this is probably why. It's probably got a lot to do with these bots watching. And they're probably not gaming channels. So it's blocked. Yeah, right. Especially when it's attached to all those other channels. I've already gone through and blocked all these channels. This is really frustrating. So at least I'm doing it whilst recording it. There's the email there. It has another channel with the exact same email as well. I think it's this one, yeah. This one here. I'll show you further down, it's got it. So yeah, this email is linked to this email as well. This is what you have to do. I know it's frustrating to have to go through and do it with everyone, like, channel, but if you don't, as I said, you're gonna get flooded with comments. Like, loved it. It was amazing. Loved it. Can we be YouTube friends? Please subscribe. So it's blocked. Okay, so as I said, these are all linked in together. Alright. And that's the main one. I think it's all tied with this. Alright guys, thanks for watching, but this one is the exact same one as this one. It's definitely a bot. Anyway, thank you, have a good day, bye.